Good day children, Sai Ram. Today we are going to have a dictation test in EVS 2 and the lesson for today's dictation test is lesson number 4, Directions and Maps. Children, I hope you all are ready and well prepared for today's dictation test. I will be giving you 1 minute time. Go and quickly get your notebook, a sharpened pencil and an eraser and come back soon. So children, I hope you are ready now. So, what is the first thing that you are going to do? Yes, put today's date. What is today's date? 17 7 20. Did you finish putting today's date? Okay, now you will give the heading as dictation test. And below that you will write in the bracket lesson number 4, directions and maps. Okay children, now put the number from 1 to 20. Children, if you are using a single line book, leave lines after every number. But if you are using a double line book, then no need of leaving lines. You can continue the numbers one below the other. So children, shall I start? I will repeat each word 3 times and at the end I will repeat all the words once again. Okay children? So shall I start? Okay. The first word is directions. The first word is directions. Directions. The second word, opposite. 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 The third word is magnetic. 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 The fourth word is indicated. 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 The fifth word is aligned. 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 The sixth word is situated. 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 The seventh word is surroundings. 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 The eighth word is shadow. 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 The ninth word is matched. 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 The 10th word is country. 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 The 11th word is continent. 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 The next word, taluka. 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 The 13th word, district. 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 The next word, ocean. 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 The 15th word, occupies. 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 The 16th word is several. 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 The 17th word is index. 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 The 18th word is introduction. 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 The second last word is information. 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 And the last one is world. 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 Okay children, I will repeat all the words once again. If you have missed out any word, you can write it now. The first word is directions. The second word is opposite. The third word is magnetic. The fourth word is indicated. The fifth one, aligned. The sixth one, situated. The seventh one, surroundings. The eighth one, shadow. The ninth one, matched. Number 10 is country. Number 11, continent. Number 12, taluka. Number 13, district. Number 14, ocean. Number 15 is occupies. Number 16, several. Number 17, index. Number 18, introduction. Number 19, information. And the last one is world. Okay children, so are you ready to check your own dictation words? Okay, I will be showing you all the words and you check the spellings. Okay, and remember, if you have started the word with a capital letter, it will be considered as wrong. Okay, even if the spelling is correct, it will be considered as wrong. For all the dictation test, the words should begin with small letters. Okay, children? The first word is directions. Children, if you have not written S, the word will be considered as wrong. Okay? So the first word is directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. The second word, opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite. The next one, magnetic. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-C. Magnetic. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-C. Magnetic. The fourth one, indicated. I-N-D-I-C-A-T-E-D. Indicated. I-N-D-I-C-A-T-E-D. Indicated. The fifth one, aligned. A-L-I-G-N-E-D. Aligned. A-L-I-G-N-E-D. Aligned. The next one, situated. S-I-T-U-A-T-E-D. Situated. S-I-T-U-A-T-E-D. Situated. The seventh one, surroundings. Children, here again, if you have not written the letter S, then it will be considered as wrong. Okay? S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Surroundings. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G-S. Surroundings. The next word, shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. S-H-A-D-O-W. Shadow. The next word, matched. M-A-T-C-H-E-D. Matched. M-A-T-C-H-E-D. Matched. The next word, country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. The next one, continent. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T. Continent. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T. Continent. Number 12, taluka. T-A-L-U-K-A. Taluka. T-A-L-U-K-A. Taluka. The next one, district. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T. District. D-I-S-T-R-I-C-T. District. Number 14, ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Number 15, occupies. OCCUPIES, occupies. OCCUPIES, occupies. Number 16, several. SEVERAL, several. SEVERAL, several. Number 17, index. INDEX, index. INDEX, index. Number 18, introduction. INTRODUCTION, introduction. INTRODUCTION, introduction. Number 19, information. INFORMATION, information. INFORMATION, information. And the last one is world. WORLD, world. WORLD, world. Children, I hope you all have corrected your dictation test honestly. So now count the number of tick marks you have got, and accordingly you can give the marks out of 20. So the number of tick marks you have got, you will be writing it here. Okay, children? But children, I know you all have done well in today's dictation test. So this is for all of you. Well done. Keep it up and keep on doing well for all your dictation tests. So children, I will be seeing you soon. Bye till then. Take care. Sai Ram.